wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah and welcome back to Dream Again. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He could chuck as many wood as a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Whoa! Kids, do you know what that is? It's a tongue twister. What is a tongue twister? Well, it's a phrase that is hard to say. They often use alliteration and homophones. Homophones? Do you even say that word like that? And what are alliterations? Mikey! Help us!
Homophones are two or more words having the same pronunciation, but different meanings. For example, air and air, or aisle and aisle, or aisle. Loud and loud. Get it? I think I got it. And alliteration is the occurrence of the same letter or sound at the beginning of closely connected words. For example, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? You got it?
Yes, I got it. Okay, kids, shall we look at some more tongue twisters? She sells seashells on the seashore. The seashells she sells are seashells for sure. That's a hard one. But let's try to do it a little bit faster. She sells seashells on the seashore. Seashells are seashells for sure. Yikes! Well, I think I might need to keep practicing that one to get even faster. But you know who has one prepared for us as well? Of course, Olivia! Let's check in with her.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick?
What did you just say?
I said Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick?
You know what I heard?
Blah
blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah.
That's not what I said.
So what did you say again?
I said Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? Got it?
10.
I don't think that's right.
So, Olivia, how about you tell our kids what you just said? What type of saying is that?
Oh, I just said a tongue twister.
A what?
A tongue twister.
Do you twist your tongue to do that?
No. But if you twist your tongue before, you can practice. A tongue twister is something that you say really, really fast, and the idea is that your tongue gets twisted because it's so hard to say.
Oh, like Superman Change of Surf.
What was that?
Superman Change of Surf.
Do you mean Superman Saves the Smurfs?
That's what I said. Didn't you hear me? I'll say it again.
Okay.
Superman Change of Surf.
Okay, wait. Let's try this. Stretch your tongue. Stretch. Ah! Okay, and now Superman Saves the Smurfs. Your turn.
Superman Change of Surf.
One more time.
Superman Saves the Smurfs. We did that together.
We did.
How do you call that? Jinx.
Ah!
That's a jinx, isn't it? So a tongue twister and a jinx. Yes?
You have to unjinx me.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're unjinxed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh dear, that's a hard one too. Okay, let's try another one. Growing gray goats graze great green grassy groves. Groves? Wait, now I'm confused. Growing gray goats grazing... No! Oh no, I did a mistake again! Phew, I guess I'm not as good as Olivia. Well, I give up. These tongue twisters are too hard for me. Kids, I'm sure you are better than I am. I need to practice some more, and so I'll see you next time. Bye!
If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.